Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about unbiased review regarding glowelectronicstore.com? If yes, then watch this video. That will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not. So let's check out the detail like what is Glow Electronics Store. It is the global e-commerce store. The website is engaged with Apple and many other popular electronic brands to bring out the latest features at the competitive price. Besides that, the site is also providing the privilege of an EMI payment option. The products you find on Glow Electronics Store are Apple devices, laptop, Xbox Series, Sony PlayStation and other latest gadgets. Moreover, the website holds in-depth information about products and its offers. So customers from United States are very curious to know about the details of this website. Let's check out the specification. It was created on 24 July 2021. Recently created website, less than 6 months old. For shipping they need 3 to 5 business days, but they have not mentioned their shipping charges. No refund policy details have been shared. For refund you have 31 days. They have not mentioned their payment method. Social media icons are shared. No email address, company details or contact number have been shared on the official portal. The advantages of the website are the site is HTTPS secured, it has an easy EMI payment method, it is having a hot sale on its latest gadgets, it holds detailed information about its offering. The website claims to provide the best after sales services. The disadvantages of shopping from Glow Electronics Store are the social media links are useless as it leads you to the post share page of the platform. We found negative customer reviews on the internet. The site does not seem clear about its policy as far as customer reviews are concerned. As we all know that it gives us a huge help to decide about the legitimacy of the site. So when we check out the detail, we found positive reviews on the website, but on the other hand some trustable sites have mixed reviews, that some people are claiming that it is a totally scam website. Some people are inquiring about the site legitimacy. So while discussing all these details, we come to the conclusion that this is a highly suspicious website, but if you are still interested to shop, you must give a thorough research on your own behalf, then make a wise decision for your shopping. And if you have a personal experience, please share your views and experience regarding this website. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you. Moreover, your experience and your views will help other customers to decide either they should use this platform or to move some other legitimate platform. And if you like our effort, please do subscribe our YouTube channel. That will boost our spirit to bring such informative video in future too.